In the ever-changing internet niche business world, effective sales and sign-up strategy are critical. When trying to figure out how to attract sales and sign-ups in a crowded niche, you must understand the type of customers you are dealing with. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to attract sales and sign-ups in a crowded niche. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. In a very competitive niche such as multi-level marketing or home business, the key is understanding the needs of the customer base and finding a solution to their frustrations. It is important that your sales skills are marketable enough to draw people towards your door without being too aggressive. In a highly competitive niche such as multi-level marketing, internet marketing, or network marketing, a good way to draw attention to yourself is by becoming involved in related forums or groups. This can be accomplished by participating in discussions or posting on blogs related to your niche. Participating in these forums or groups will expose you to many new potential customers. By offering your expertise, others will want to have you offer theirs. Remember that this business is all about networking. If you become a sought-after resource within your niche, people will want to come to you for all of their network marketing needs. Another way how to attract sales and sign-ups in a crowd is to use the old standby of direct mail, internet marketing, and cold calling. By using these proven methods, you will build your list faster than you think. These methods have worked for years and will continue to attract a steady traffic if done correctly. The key to make these methods work for you is research. Without solid information gathering and targeted traffic, you will quickly find yourself in a holding pattern. A great way to build traffic to your site is by writing articles on a particular niche and submitting them to article directories. Article directories allow you to expose your articles to hundreds of thousands of people who are looking for information on a specific topic. You can also use these sites as a place to put up any information you want to share with your readers. Another good way to build traffic is by creating a blog within your niche. A blog should be updated on a regular basis. When a blogger starts earning a decent amount of money, they often hire staff to help manage and maintain their site. This is good because the blog becomes the new home for any new and valuable information you want to share with your readers. When you are using a blog to attract sales and sign-ups in a crowd, it is important to promote any information you post to get as much traffic as possible. Article marketing is another method how to attract sales and sign-ups in a crowd. If you have good article writing skills, you can create original articles that focus on your niche topic and then submit them to free article directories. The more unique content you provide in your articles, the better chances you have of getting picked for an article directory. Not only will your articles help you to build your traffic and reputation within the niche you chose, but they will also contain keywords that will help to attract potential customers to your site. Once you have built a relationship with your list, you can then begin promoting products in your list. You can offer special reports, free downloads, or any number of things that you believe will interest your customer base. Once you have created a list that trusts in you and your recommendations, it is easy to convince them to click on your links and take the action that will bring them to your sales site. These are just a few suggestions for how to attract